remarkable woman, Ahilyabai Holkar, who was the Rajmata. She was the ruling queen of Marwa Indore. She was a beacon of wisdom, compassion and justice in 18th century India. She dedicated her life to the welfare of her people. She promoted education, infrastructures and religious harmony. She earned love and respect of her subjects. May her legacy continue to guide us to strive to build a just and compassionate society. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Today there is birthday of Swanandi Mai from grade 4. So let us wish her on her birthday.
Happy birthday